In this video, we're making a full meal prep in just 4 steps and under 30 minutes. It's got everything: protein, carbs, veggies, and healthy fats. Simple, tasty, and good for your body. We'll start with the chicken, but first, we're chopping up some bell pepper. Just a bit, based on your preference. For my own portion, I usually go with about 6 or 7 slices. If you look closely, there's a thin puffed layer on the inside of the pepper skin. It's better to scrape or remove it since it can be a bit rough on the stomach. Alright, the peppers are ready. Now let's move on to the chicken breast. Cook the chicken breast in the air fryer. No oil needed. You can add some if you want, but it's really not necessary since we'll serve it later with a sauce that already has olive oil in it. Cut the chicken into small pieces. I usually cook 1 full breast per meal. Now let's season it with just a bit of turmeric, nothing more. The sauce will bring all the flavor we need. Add some salt, toss in the chopped bell peppers, and mix everything well so it's nicely spread out. Transfer it all into the air fryer. Set it to roast at 190 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 11 minutes. This time I don't want it too juicy. Once it's done, take the chicken out and let it cool. Alright, let's prep the broccoli. We're blanching it to keep it fresh and crisp, but not raw. I separate the florets and finely chop the stems. I'll use those for soup later. I add a splash of vinegar to the boiling water and cook the broccoli for about 2.5 minutes. Then I transfer them to an ice bath to stop the cooking. After about 30 seconds, I drain them in a colander to get rid of the excess water. Alright, let's prep the quinoa. Per 100 grams, quinoa has about 14 grams of protein and 70 grams of carbs. We're using 30 grams of quinoa, which is roughly half a cup, and we're cooking it in 2 cups of boiling water. Once it's cooked, we'll have around 100 grams of quinoa. After about 15 minutes of cooking, it's ready to serve. Let's make the sauce. We're adding about 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half a tablespoon of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, around 20 grams of hemp seeds, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 shot of espresso, 1 teaspoon of dried mint, and 1 teaspoon of oregano. Give it a really good mix. For me, this consistency is perfect, but if you want it a bit thicker, you can use some cornstarch to thicken it up. We'll also toss in a few pieces of dried tomato. That's it. Alright, let's mix it all together. I added about 20 grams of pumpkin seeds and 10 grams of chia seeds and gave everything a good stir. This meal has everything you need in a balanced plate: protein, carbs, fiber, veggies, and healthy fats. Protein helps build and repair muscles, especially great for after workouts. Carbs give you the energy to power through the day. Fiber is key for digestion and keeps you feeling full longer. Healthy fats like olive oil or hemp seeds are great for heart and joint health. Of course, veggies are the foundation of any healthy meal. It's a complete meal, perfect for athletes or anyone looking for a healthy, satisfying dish. And here's the protein breakdown of this plate. It covers a big part of your daily protein needs. If you liked it, make sure to try it and let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and comment. It really keeps me going for the next recipe. See you next time.